Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to insert and use zoom feature in PowerPoint. The zoom feature in Microsoft PowerPoint is a feature that makes your presentation interactive and dynamic. So let's start and transform boring slide navigation into an interactive experience now. So if you would like to make your presentation more dynamic and exciting, try using this feature, Zoom for PowerPoint. So let's start. To add a zoom to your current slide, simply insert at the top of your PowerPoint screen and next find the link section and click on the drop down for the zoom. Microsoft PowerPoint Zoom features three different zoom options: zoom summary, section zoom, and slide zoom. These options allows us to embed multiple slides contents into a single slide, navigating through your presentation in a dynamic and interactive way. Starting with the first option, which is zoom summary. So Microsoft PowerPoint Zoom feature includes summary zoom, which is similar to a landing page on the table of contents. So what I have to do is I'll just select the slides which I want to include in my landing page. So I have now 10 slides, and out of 10 I have just selected which I want to have in my landing page. So I will click insert. On this slide you can see all the pieces of presentation that you want to zoom to. So now let me select the slideshow option. So this is a single slide now, and you can use this single slide to navigate to each section or slide, and the presentation will automatically return to the summary slide once you move through that section. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we have 10 slides here. So I'll select this by clicking on my left side of my mouse. If you see, my slide gets zoom in, and now if I click it again, my slide get zoom out. So that is the beautiful function and more dynamic function to present your data. So now I move it to my next slide and then click again. Likewise, we can go to each slide and present the data in a zoom in and zoom out feature. So this is first option. So next one is section zoom. Section zoom allows you to zoom into a specific action containing multiple related slides of your presentation. This is especially helpful for longer presentation or presentation with multiple topics. A section zoom is a link to a section already in your presentation, but if it is not, then you can organize your presentation slides into sections. Let's start and see how we can add a section. So you can see the slides in the left side of my screen, and you can right click between the slides and select add section. An untitled section is added in the thumbnail pane and the rename section dialog box open. Okay, so you can select the rename and give the name, like the slide name is issue resolution, then you can give the name issue resolution and then rename. If you can see, my slides are added under this section. Likewise, we can create multiple sections. Like if I want to create again between 4 and 5, then I will right click again, add section. I'll give the name here RCA, means root cause analysis. Click rename and see section has been created. Now you can see that there are two sections created. One is issue resolution and one is RCA. You can also collapse this session by clicking the rectangle next to the section name. The numeral by the section name shows the number of slides in that section. Like issue resolution has 2 slides and RC has 7 slides. Let's expand it again. Okay, let's see how now section zoom works. Okay, first go to the slide where you want to insert these section zoom, go to insert, then find the link section and create and click zoom. Under zoom you have to select zoom section and select the section you want to use as a section zoom. Like I want section 2 and section 3, and click insert and your section zoom will be created. So we have two sections and two section zoom has been created. Now we will click the slideshow and see. Now we can just click on the first section, and if you see, it will move up to second slide because we have two slides in section 1, and then it will zoom out, and then I will go into section 2 and it will, then we can continue with the slides. So likewise we can learn how to build a zoom section in a PowerPoint. Hope you like this tutorial. So let's move to our third section, which is zoom slides. So slide zoom allows you to zoom into one slide at a time, and how it works. So let's learn how to insert a slide zoom in your presentation. So what we have to do is we'll go to the title slide where we want to insert the slide zooms, and next step is go to the insert, found the link, and under link you need to click zoom, and after drop down you need to select slide zoom. Like you have selected the slides in the summary section, you have to do it again. But in the difference between the summary and the slide zoom is, in summary slides there is a separate slide created when you click summary slide, but in zoom slide it will create in your selected slide. So let's select, like I want started from number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I will click insert. If you see, all slides are inserted here. Okay, now I need to segregate this as per the numbering, or maybe you can design as per your requirement. So I have multiple slides, so let's add here, one here, one here. So we have almost 9 slides. So after formatting, what you have to do is you have to go to your slideshow, and then again you have to do the same step. You have to click on the slide, then it will zoom in, and if you click again it will go to the next slide as per the numbering, to the third, to the fourth, to the fifth. So you need to give your numbering as per your requirement, what is the next slide you want to present. So that is how slide zoom works. I hope you like this video, and you know how to use the zoom features, summary, section and slide zoom, and hope you like this video. If you like this, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to learn more kinds of tips and tricks related to Excel, PowerPoint, Word. Okay, so till then, meet you in our next video, and enhance your skills. Bye bye.